Hey guys, it's Adam here with Equipment Limited. Just want to show you some of the updates that we've made with the F3 Sidegrinder. We have the availability to upgrade to a variable frequency drive. You can really control the speed of the grind and really get the finished product that you're looking for. If we go in here to the setup screen and we look, you're going to notice everything looks a little bit different than it did before. So if you notice up here, you have grind speed, spindle speed, and wheel diameter. So this is going to do all the calculations for you to hit the surface feet per minute that you're trying to hit. So let's say that my wheel, I want to do 5200, but my wheel has worn down to about 98.5. If you'll notice that spindle speed has changed, you're still going to hit 52. So if I just bump it up, I want to do 5400, you notice the spindle speed has changed again. So if you look down here as well, we have added a program for saw blades that have thick and thin teeth mixed in. So let's say that you have a saw blade that has 2 thick teeth and 1 thin tooth. So you would hit 3. This will give you the ability to change whichever one needs to be thin. So if it's 2 thicks and 1 thin, you would hit the center to be the thin. Because when you set up on this machine, you're going to set up on the first thick by hand, and then it will index and go to the second thick tooth of your saw blade, and then it will index again and go to the thin tooth of your saw blade. So after that is done, you'll be back in the thick, thick, thin order. So if we look down here, this will be the difference between your thick and thin teeth, this TT difference right here. So if we have an oscillation total of 0.3, this is what it's going to take off on the thick teeth. So we put a 0.2 in the difference on the thin tooth, it's going to take off 0.2 more than it did on the thick tooth. And those are just a few of the changes that we've made with the software on this machine and adding the frequency drive.